Hello, hello. Thank you for joining me. We're going to have 5-minute makeover today. I am going to show you guys the quickest makeup application ever because my baby girl is not feeling good and I got to go pick her up. So I already put my primer on, and because I don't even have a minute to let it set, I blow dried it. Yeah, I'm telling you, a blow dryer is a must right next to your makeup station. So Victoria's Cream Shadow. It is available at a huge discount right now in our Steal the Spotlight collection. Watch this. It is a great alternative to help cover dark circles. Also for that quickie no makeup look. Okay. And just lightly blend. Yeah. Stick it in the corner of your eye. Down under your eye. Okay. It looks like, I don't know. I've gotten a few of you guys have been like, that's a weird color. You guys, this is the perfect nude. Doubles as a concealer. Also doubles as an eye primer, a lip primer. Grab your blending bud and pat it in under that under eye, okay? Now, for a little bit of color on your cheeks, get your bronzer. I'm using the color Hermosa with our blush brush. And remember, tap off. Don't forget the Tragus Insta Uplift, right? Bronzer is a great, quick tool. See, and pinch it together to add a little color to your face. As you can see, I look a little washed up and pale, right? To add a little bit more pop. And remember, you got to tap this off. Gonna add some stunning blush. If you're not sure where to apply your blush, because blush should be applied according to your face shape, make sure you're in my VIP group on Facebook, VIP Beauties, for exclusive content and even more tips, tricks, and hacks. Okay, white liner, makeup bag must have. If you do not have white liner in your makeup bag, hit me up. Okay, it is a definite makeup bag must have. Brows, okay? Brows are, okay, so I want you to let me know what are your, like, cannot leave the house without doing. For me, it is my brows, my mascara, and I need something on my lips. Now, I'm using the dark brow palette. I love this dark brow. I love the brow palettes, period. I like them over the brow liner because for me, they are a little faster, even though I just goofed. See what happens? Like when you're in a rush and when you're always in a hurry, you just end up making more bloops. Okay, I'm going to set this right quick with our translucent setting powder. Slap on some lipstick, do lashes, out that door in under 5 minutes. Okay. Let's get showy, shall we? Also, in our Steal the Spotlight collection, that one that's like really hugely discounted, you could pick a Splash liquid lipstick. Okay, so we're going to let that dry. Let's get that handy dandy blow dryer back out. Let's put it on warm. 1, 2, 3. Heat up that lash curler. Curl them lashes. The reason why I heat my lash curler up before I curl my lashes is because I have blonde lashes that stick straight out. When I heat my lash curler, let's not put mascara in my hair. When I heat my lash curler up, it really holds the curl and like brow tangle type action. That's one. Isn't this mascara like the most epically bomb-tastic mascara ever? Now it's also okay, everything that I have is highly pigmented, so less is more. And okay, how many of you guys have that wonky lash? That one wonky lash on this side because I put our Esteem Lash Serum on my lashes and my brows every night before bed. I have that one wonky lash that, because of the Esteem Lash Serum, it grows, but it always points down, and then it looks like I'm missing like a lash or something, like, you know, that lash gap thing. And bada bing, bada boom, gonna go pick my sick baby girl up. And oh, we're at 5 minutes and 23 seconds. So if you have any questions, please let me know. You can get, basically my whole face is on sale. My face is on sale in various collections on my website. Everything is 38% off. Or if you really like saving money, check out my beauty box. It's like 82 or 88% off. Basically, you buy 2 products, get 13 free. It's insane. And the new packaging that it's in, you guys, that beauty box. Wow, I'm like super jealous. I got box envy. Okay, so I look forward to helping you color match. You could try anything on in my beauty try-on room. Have a fantastic Friday. Thank you for joining me. Rushing Renee at 5 Min Makeover. Talk to you soon. Bye.